Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Champion Academy. Here the one of the important question from the chapter 1 is given that x square plus y square is equal to 34xy. Then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 2 log 6 plus log x plus log y we have to prove. So it is given that we have to look at here. What is given here? Here it is given a x plus y, so we have to write x plus y whole square formula. If you take a plus b whole square formula, what is that? A plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this value we have to write 2xy, we have to add, okay, both side. Okay, if you want to write this x square plus y square in a plus b whole square formula, we have to add this 2ab on the both side. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 34xy plus 2xy. This 2xy we have to add on the both side. Okay, then after it is become x plus y whole square is equal to 36 xy. Next to add log, okay, or take log on both side. Okay, next look at log x plus y whole square is equal to log 36 xy. So we can expand this, we can write this 2 log x plus y. We can also write this log 36 plus log x plus log y, because we know formula, okay, that is log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Okay, this is the formula. No, in this form we can write here 2 log x plus y is equal to, again 36 we can write log 6 square plus log x plus log y. Again we can write this one 2 log x plus y. We can write this one 2 log 6 plus log x plus log y. So our answer is over here. We got hence proved. Okay, thank you.